what's all this for?
Cabinets.
Drop that.
I usually get off 4. I was just going to stay till 5 and work on cutting these down, but
redacted.
I'm on vacation this week, so if we did till 5, we can walk.
Gotcha.
Cool staples. That is the one downside to getting plywood from these guys is the staples, but that's not the end of the world.
It's just not like a million of them.
Yeah.
How many cabinets will it be?
I actually don't remember the number of cabinets on this one. There's an island. There's a big.
Yeah. These are the ones that are for, oh, who are they for?
This is the kitchen build, not the one for Honda.
Oh, okay.
He hasn't heard back on that one. And I told him there's no way I could have them ready for their July 4th shutdown if I didn't hear back about it. Wednesday last week. Wednesday morning. I needed to know Wednesday morning to get it ordered for Thursday.
That's a bummer then.
So he said that he's just going to tell me it has to be later, if that's the case.
Oh, well, hope we still get it then.
Yeah. So, guess it's just the only way to get this back there one at a time.
Yeah.
Without pulling everything out. I don't feel like doing that. So I'm going to set the saw up, get it started, and then we'll start cutting these.
All right. I haven't had Gatorade in forever. Forgot how good it was. Hashtag not sponsored. But if they want to, you know.
I'm starting to think I didn't order enough plywood.
Really? It's a lot.
These with the black tick on the side
Yeah.
are just for the sides and the dividers.
Well, I mean, that's the bulk of it, though, isn't it?
Well, no. I still need bottoms for a bunch of them. And shelves. So we'll see. May end up ordering more plywood in.
Yeah. Got the final full sheet here. Still cutting some of that up though.
I need blocking and stuff.
Gotcha.
Next, I'm just going to cut this one roughly in half because both legs are kind of jacked up.
Yeah.
cabinets are 29 inches overall depth. You can only get one cut per sheet width.
Yeah.
But that's what we want it. What do you get from buying a big ring?
This is our haul. It's here. This guy here. List. And that cart. And these sheets too, I believe. But yeah.
All right, I think that's it.
All right.
Ready?
Yep. That's a wrap.
Starting in on these cabinet sides with the first of 3 coats of stain going on here. And they will be getting stained and worn how I look, so this will be interesting. See how it goes. Now this one is getting a trick finish. The trick being that I spent $150 in finish so far and haven't been able to nail it down quite yet. What we're trying to do is get this to fade from the almost black that it is through blue into brown. That won't make it into this video, so you'll have to stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and follow along. That'll be in the next video. Now let's go see if this other one's dry enough to spray. So while we cleaned out the back of the truck, that one's dried out enough that it's ready for spray. So we're going to go ahead and spray this one too. This thing may run out of material before we get... Yep. Be right back. Got to fill this up. So I forgot to start recording again after I filled that up. Got that one sprayed off. Coat of clear, and we're starting in on the next set. Problem is getting these stained fast enough to wipe it off because I don't want it a solid black. But we are going to fix that. Should see if I have any more gloves in there, because then I can do this differently since I did have gloves. And the beauty of this first coat of clear is any imperfections in it will be where the worn sections are. So I'll just sand those out, sand them back down to bare wood, and use that for the worn part. Well, that's obnoxious. Let's take a look at what we got in here. First up, we've got our gallon undercoat that we need for another project. Actually, not another project, another part of this project. And then we've got satin clear. We've got 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to put these 2 back inside. I have got so many empty gallon cans of stuff I need to throw away. I've got 4 there now. This will be number 5. I have sprayed so much stuff in the last week. It's not even funny. I think I sprayed 2 gallons of polyacrylic for the inside. Or polyacrylic, whatever you call it. Which that stuff finished out nicer than I thought it would. But it took a little bit longer to dry than this lacquer does. I screwed up and copied my last order for finish. And not the one before it. So I got 3 gallons of white top coat instead. So it was supposed to be 3 gallons of satin clear. Our mixer off Amazon. Make sure we get this nice and cloudy. Make sure there's no white chunks floating in it, because the white chunks are the element that makes it satin versus gloss. So plus if there's chunks still floating in it, they're going to come out on the finish as just little white specks, and don't want that. That's done there. So that's filled back up. Got bugs in my face. Hook it back up. We're going to get our next end panel here. Again, just knock those little things off of there. If I had $1 for every time I knocked this thing off of something, I'd be a millionaire.